Good morning. Erason yedi agudi monsem na eto awodo 10 na no pay wala natural mineral water. Amake ho na yedi eba nsam ya na to so de se fata salt ni de brebe ma ekwan no. Na yedi abasa jo manager Bernard Padibotwe producer schedule na nkasa ni Erika Siedubori. E be sha say the FIFA under 17 Women's World Cup ayekoso den no me no kan say no. Enra Nigeria at Africa ni mubo New Zealand by 4-1. Spain winning 3-1 and Dominican Republic. And on the Kosovo order and 17 Women's World Cup Africa. Kenya, Nigeria, and Zambia and AC and Emo Bono Dominican Republic. And T and Wasabano and to me and Kobe North Korea and in Mexico we born Kenya and England, Brazil and Zambia. Yes, you two Nigeria Hong matches na no do. Because Zambia and Brazil nebo na Kenya and England abo. Then of course Japan and Poland and ebeboni. Now, nan running na muwima no panwa called do enyumremu babina asete abetum say Thomas Tuchel, former coach of Chelsea, former coach of Bayern Munich, former coach of Paris Saint-Germain, former coach of Dortmund, ya Bonidin as the new manager for the Three Lions of England. Yeah. Right, Thomas Tuchel, one on Kwambia so no wabe the new Three Lions manager. And you might be in January. You may be actually send you besi ako influence ko piemu Paul Pogba ban and netted a pum 4-year ban. Actually said two pin hun sense many idea. Or they call cast. It is about 18 months. Paul ekasa say ono nye obi o ye chita. Na sembi ne ba entia. Na we nyina ba wan sheda so for drubi say won hanse ne performance there be. Paul Pogba ne semono na odiato na info ne the Black Stars of Ghana. Yes, fear ban e kan ka kono tum say pressure bana and they ball captain Samban me ball the two Sudanese games Mohamed Kudus they are chop pass from kona ma Ghana for Ghana say almost Ghana for the ne kan ka kono as yet been qualifying kono en ko to jegu form and on the Kudus said they have to try info ne ko under 20 the Black Satellites and then na wafu zombie tournament na Ghana young boy in first game and Benin and airport Desmond Affair coach at the Ghana na 20 team not in some to just and this one who say we should head away na Ghana qualify for the AFCON. Right, and only Desmond Affair somewhere what here to Aja Wala natural mineral water. Wala natural mineral water. Wala natural mineral water. My body means one bia na wala sansa no ne ensu a o ye sure say mu da hokrogin as say wan ye careful ensu a onu mu ya waso betima ye shepa wala natural mineral water mo sponsors e go so our national teams no catch the second batch of Black Galaxies Aqua Camp or Pram omo ya ho se strong ko ne yi ma coach Masoud Dramania or head coach if so be section ne nya tele team party now say local Black Stars na yehwe say Chan qualifies the day anyway no Ghana betima ginemu against Nigeria na akọ yenemu Didi Dramani e dey say mo to dwa na o kire mu say na abere pa our exercise am ye mu.
We have formed a strong collaboration in terms of linking up with various clubs and more especially the coaches. I think week in week out I speak with majority of the coaches where these players are just to find out updates, and we also created a database in terms of monitoring groups, monitoring our players, various players that have been identified earlier on into the database. So before we call already we know that the player is active or the player has been injured and he's back to playing times, or the player has played few games but the player is okay and training, and so we bring players based on how we place them in the database, how we also have identified in different phases from the Ghana universities, who played in the competition in Nigeria, and then also checking on some lower divisions and also checking on the Division 1s, checking on the Premier clubs, lower divisions. So wherever football is. Masoud Didi Dramani, one of the head coach the local Black Stars and Black Galaxies. Now, what in somewhere to be asano wala natural mineral water a sponsor sana po bi omo kan homa eden some bro wala natural mineral water. Sergio Manocho, Bernard Padibotwe me producers. Ya na wakai de nankasa kakejwa ne ho. Erika Siedubori ne ya pomudi wonsam etwa odo. Ni wi ana de akaba. Koso hebedwom.